Hello, it's Mark Matorsh here for Markham 3D, and today we're going to be talking about the flip-flop node. So, when we enter a collision box, we can see that it changes the material. Enter it again, changes the material. So I'm literally just flip-flopping between materials. So if we open up into the blueprint of our trigger box, we can see on component begin overlap, flip-flop. So it goes A, it'll set the material as the projectile, which is the bright yellow. And then once we enter it again, it'll flip over or flop over, either or, to B, and we set the material as clay bricks, I believe. And so that's the flip-flop node. It just toggles between each other. And also there's a variable that comes out which tells us which flipping or flopping is true at the moment. But yeah, very simple flip-flop. If you want to keep track of more Booleans, just use this. If you like these short, sharp tutorials, make sure you subscribe, like the video. It really helps me out and keeps you up to date with my content.